In front of me is SONY Xperia X Performance, and let me show you how to clear browsing data on the following device. So at first you need to open the browser that you are using. In my case it is Google Chrome. Then tap on the more icon, which is 3 dots one in the right upper corner, and select History. And here you can smoothly click on Clear Browsing Data if you would like to perform this operation. You will find here Basic and Advanced options. Under Basic you've got Browsing History, Cookies and Site Data, and also cached images and files. And then under Advanced you've got saved passwords, auto from data, and also site settings. If you'd like to stay with something, for example with saved passwords, smoothly unmark, but I would like to activate the full removal of data. And finally, just select the time range. Mark it here, then select the period of time. I will go with all time because I would like to remove everything since always, and then just tap on Clear Data. And confirm that you would like to perform this operation by tapping on Clear, and that's it. As you can see, it has been done, so congrats, thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.